Today is May 2, 2024. We're looking at SPY, and today, it's a good day for both, bearish and bullish traders. I think bulls and bears make good profit today. As I always say, my favorite strategies, I always use 1 minute, 2 minute time frame, and 5-day moving average. Let's look at 1 minute, 2 minute here. In the past, I have done research on the moving average movement, especially 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute time frame. I write programs to find out what are the chances of, for the 50 moving average cross 200 for both time frames and 5 minute time frames. And for the 1 minute time frame, the chances, for 50 cross either above or below 200 moving average, almost 95%. So it doesn't happen today. It will happen tomorrow. For a minute, it's about 95% chance. For 2 minute, it's about 85, a little bit lower, 85. But again, as the time, as the time gets larger, chances of, lower. So for the 5 minute, it's about, it takes a few days. So let's focus on 1 minute, time minute. For 1 minute, usually 95% of the time, 50 moving average will cross 200. So it happened today. So it happened every day now for SPY 1 minute. You just know how to catch the support and resistance level to do your entry and exit. For 2 minute, same thing, 50 cross 200 happened today. Okay, so what happened today? So it gapped up, right? It gapped up. So for those who are bears, just short, that's a nice, I would say 2 points at least. If you can pick up 2 points, perfect. You fill the gap, and then what happened? I think I said yesterday, right? When fall doesn't fall here, this is a good support. When fall doesn't fall, and then have a fake out. Look at today here. It hit the low below 500, but has a fake out. It didn't have a follow through. It didn't have a second bar going down. A stop. That means there was no sellers. They ran out of sellers today. It's pretty obvious. This is definitely a good bar right here. When it stop falling and pull back up, no follow through, that means no sellers. And also I said this is should be a strong support right here at 500 level. And look at daily chart, see what happened. Yeah, see? And even look at the 30 minute as SPY 30 minute here, this channel here is getting close, right? Almost, hit the bottom trend line. I said this is a new channel yesterday. The old channel is sort of, it's outdated. So we use a new channel here. There's another new channel here, hit almost the bottom, it bounced. And also, what's the news? We don't have any bad news, right? Yesterday, Fed Powell have 3 options: either, rate hike, we have a rate cuts, or the rate remain the same. But he already said that he's not going to increase rates this year. So out of the equations, he only has 2 options for this year: either cut rates, okay, for this one, or the rates remain the same. Only 2 options he has. So market went up today. So another news, positive news. That's the reason why I say, this should be a strong support. Okay, so perfect. It worked out very good. And again, when it gap down, you fill the gap. So 50 cross 200 for the bears will make money. For the bulls, you could pick up here, right there. You enter here, even enter here, that's fine. 501, you still be able to make at least 2 to 3 points, right? 3 point will be 504. You get out 504, even if you didn't get 505, you're still able to pick up 3 points, in my opinion. And another thing here, we should look at and a signal. I'd like to point out. Look at this on the 2-minute time frame here. Look at that falling wedge. There's a triangle, whatever you call it, falling wedge. It's a tapering. So I've been waiting for this. Had to break out. First bar breakout, second bar stay above the trend line, third bar stay above the trend line. That's obvious. This is just a breakout. It's not fake breakout. Versus this one in the morning, we have a one sharp drop, but the second one no follow through. Didn't even retest it and then bounce from there. This is a fake. This was obvious a fake. This is real, okay? So it went up, and also based on the news too. Okay, let's look at 5 minutes, see what happened. Okay, what's going to happen tomorrow? Let's look at tomorrow's trading. Oh yeah, for 5 minutes, something I want to point out. Okay, I've done research on 5-minute time frame on the moving average movement too. For 50 cross 200, usually once it close and trade above 200 moving average, usually it will stay up there for at least 4 to 5 days on average. For the 5-minute time frame, I think I said it before. If it goes down, usually it will stay below 200 moving average for 3 to 4 days. But this time only 1, 2, 3 days. Only it just stayed below 200 moving average for 3 days, and then it just went back up. Went back up. Let's see how long it will hold up there. If it's trading above 200 moving average for 5 days, that means we at least it's going to hit 510 or even about 515 till next week. Okay, so this is a bullish movement. Everything always start from the smaller time frame, and we have the reversal. It's always start from the smaller time frames. So this one started first 5 minutes and 30 minutes. Yeah, it looks like for 30 minutes today, even trade above 200 moving average. Most of my favorite, moving average is like it's a line in the sand, always. So trading above 200 moving average on 30-minute time frame. Let's see tomorrow it will break through it. But it didn't happen. I said yesterday. I thought the 5-day would cross below 10-day moving average, but it didn't happen. So it just bounced off the low. So most likely, looks like it should go up more, has more movement since it's trading and close above 200 moving average on 5 minutes. You should last at least 4 to 5 days, based on my research. So let's see how many days will stay up there. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones. Look at the Dow Jones here. Now it's trading between the channel here. You see it? So either have to break up or break below. If it breaks below, we should have, let's see how many points, about 1,000. That means we will hit 37 or hit 36, 30 right here. So watch out. Once it break above, let's say it will continue to close above 50-day moving average. I don't want to make too much assumptions here. It's too early to say anything. But anyway, it's trading within this channel. Wait till it has a breakout first. Okay, so for tomorrow probably we'll hit here for the Dow Jones. There should be a major resistance. It has to break above before I can say anything. And also have to break below here major support before it will happen. The fall will keep on going down. That's for the Dow Jones. For the SPY, same thing. I think tomorrow, again, we always see support below at 497, 500. Okay, this should be right here should be major support. We see resistance here, 20-day moving average and 50-day. So 511. I would say this is a major resistance if it happens tomorrow. Okay. Let's see. And one more thing, as my favorite strategy. Again, my favorite strategy: 1 minute, 2 minute time frame. Since 1 minute is trading above 200. Tomorrow is Friday. It might take a little bit longer for the 50 to cross 200 below to finish that retracement, whatever you call it. I call it retracement correction. Okay, so it might happen tomorrow. It happens. It might take a bit longer time. It might not happen overnight. I mean, right at the open in the morning. May wait for a few more hours to make it happen. Looks like. So watch out. So for tomorrow, here should be a major resistance here too, the trend line. Yeah, let's see tomorrow. It will break this resistance. Okay, once you break it, it will definitely hit right here and the level 508 or even a little bit higher, 510. Okay, since the Fed already cleared the rate hike, there's no more increase raise for this year. So it should be a bullish news for the market. Okay. So watch out. So for 2 minute time frame, it might not happen. The 550 might not cross 200 tomorrow. Maybe later, even 1 minute, I would say probably later. I have to wait, a couple hours in the morning. Wait to settle down, everything settled before, the 50 moving average cross 200 on 1 minute time frame. Okay, that's about it. Good luck on your trading. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.